Hey there! So, here's how to make everything easier, faster, more efficient, and more effective starting right now. What we tend to do when we want to grow our business, when we want more customers, is we go out and we try and look for new people that we can work with. And that is extremely inefficient. There's people in your world who know you, who like what you do, who have had some exposure, who might be willing to work with you. They might have already worked with you. And if you then ignore those people and you go out and constantly look for new accounts, new clients, new prospects, new leads to go and talk to, you're doing the hardest work, the most costly and expensive effort to drive business, and you're ignoring all the low-hanging fruit, the easy in reach people who already might want what you do and who already know about you. So think strategically, use your time efficiently, and look at the opportunities that are there in reach. You'll find that if you simply go out and start talking to the people who already know about you, a lot of them are going to be more than happy to have a conversation, and some of those people are going to say, actually, yeah, I need some help. How does this work? So before going out and spending all your time driving new traffic and converting people and building your email list and trying to find new clients, start with the people already in your world and see if they need you. If you want a short daily email in your inbox with ideas like these and more, go to martinsteller.com and sign up there, and I'll see you soon.